this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. So if you want to create your own hashtag on Instagram, you can do it easily by using this feature. First you need to open your Instagram account and log into your account and click on the profile icon. Now you need to click on this plus icon in order to add a new post. So click on the post section. Now here you need to choose that post in which you want to add your new hashtag. Like in my case I had selected this image, so I will click on this, and after this we need to add a description. Like in my case I had added a description on Instagram, and now I had added my own website. Hashtag. Like you can see that I had added alphabetazone as my hashtag, and click on this. Now I need to click on the not now button, and here you can see that our post has been shared. After this your new hashtag will be ready. You can see now your new hashtag will be ready. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to create your own hashtag of your Instagram profile. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.